Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to curl my hair, but in a different way. So today I am going to curl my hair with this heatless hair roller for the first time, and we're going to find out, is it true that after this thing our hair is going to be curly, like on this picture on the box, if you can see it? Is it real or not? So let's find out. So firstly, we should open it. So here it is, guys. It's so nice. It comes with this hair clip. How pretty it is. I think I'm going to use it and after, like on daily basis, every day. And we have two scrunchies. How cute they are. And this thing, which is going to be like that. So yeah. Now, I think I should let my hair down. And I'm going to brush it. Okay. This is my hair after I have it on a ponytail. My hair now it's ready. So let's get it started. Maybe I need to wet my hair or not, because it's my first time, guys. I don't know. So no, it just says to put this thing right here. Is it too small? I think it should be longer for my hair, or not. Anyway, we're going to find out, I guess. So we put this thing right here, and we clip it with the clip right here. And then how do we, I believe we start by small pieces. Huh, okay. I'm really curious how it's going to turn out. And it says that I need to sleep with it overnight. And I don't know how I'm going to do it. How am I going to sleep? I feel like I did this side better because maybe on this side was my first time. So I think maybe I'm going to do it again. Okay, from this side it turned out really good, and I think I'm going to redo this. Here are the final results. Okay, I can't wait to see how I am going to be in the morning. Wow, it was pretty easy. Is it okay here? Yeah, I think it's alright. Okay, so it writes here that I have to sleep with it overnight. So I guess I'm going to see you tomorrow in the morning. Finger crossed that I'm going to sleep at night, because I don't know how I'm going to sleep with it. Hopefully it's going to be comfortable. So see you in the morning, guys. Good night. Going to bed. Good morning, guys. The time has finally came to take off this heatless hair roller, and I'm so excited. By the way, guys, the night was a bit weird at first because I wasn't used to it and it was a bit hard. But then we got through and it was alright. This is how I am after I slept with it. It doesn't have a lot of difference, as you can see. I thought it would be worse because, you know, when you sleep, maybe you'll make some movement and maybe it's going to be bad. But now, let's take it off and let's go. Let's see how it turned out. First piece, the hair clip, next the scrunchies. How about this side? Yeah, I think I need to take them off in a different way. But It's alright, it's our first time. No way! You don't even need anything, you don't burn your hair, it's absolute, you just live with it. It's perfect. The results are just, I didn't expect it. Perfect. Guys, everything was worth it. Like, look at this. Wow. I'm speechless. I really like the results. I just think I should have taken that thing in a different way. But I think it's alright. And another one thing, I need to make them in smaller pieces because I made it like, not in the best way because it was my first time. But even though, guys, look how it turned out. It's wow. It's just, I don't have any words. Like, I really liked it. So guys, this was our video for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Stay safe, guys, and see you next time, guys. Bye.